Hi guys, I'm here with my Mercedes and want to talk to you about some issues. First of all, wanna thank you for joining my channel. We are already 500 and more, and I'm looking forward for this community, and I will try my best to keep this channel alive. So now I want to talk to you about some issues I have with my car. Some days ago, when I was mowing on heavy traffic, I noticed that my temperature gauge was climbing up, and it was showing more than 18, but it was less than 100. This is my second Mercedes W2210, and I know which is the normal engine working temperature. So I began to testing some units to see what was wrong. First of all, I know that I have the right mix of distilled water and coolant in my car. Also, I know that my thermostat is brand new and it is original Mercedes part, which I changed about half an year ago. So then I was moving the main fan clutch assembly. You know, this car had the fan clutches which are attached to the water pump, and the fan clutches working algorithm is not very difficult, but it has some points. So I decided to test my fan clutch. First of all, when engine temperature is optimal, you can see here it, and I shut down the engine, the fan clutch did not stop immediately and it continues moving. It is bad. Second, you can move the fan clutch when the engine is warm and hot in good working temperature with the hand freely. It is also bad. So now I am going to do some fan clutch repair operations. I know that I can simply buy new fan clutch and install it on my car, but the original equipment Sachs fan clutch, which is made for these cars, costs about $250, which is very expensive for me. Also, I don't want to spend some money and buy some China-made Beher or Euro fan clutch for my car, because I know that this type of fan clutches did not operate properly. They move all the time when engine is cold also, and it is not good for the engine and for the car. So I decided to order some silicone fluid, which viscosity was 10,000. You know, this type of fluid was used by Toyota when they produced it to refill the fan clutches of the Toyota fan clutches. So I ordered it from Germany. You can find it any RC hobby shop, but in Georgia, in my country, there are not RC hobby shops, which is very strange. So I went and ordered it from Amazon Day, and it will be here in Georgia in 1 week. So I'm going to refill the fan clutch with this fluid, because I know that when these fan clutches are brand new, there is some fluid, this type of fluid in the fan clutch inside, and this fluid helps the fan clutch to operate properly and cool your engine. So guys, I think that this mode will help, fingers crossed. I will do this mode in after 1 week, so when I will get the fluid and show you the final results. Also, I will show you how to remove fan clutch, which tools you need, how you can make the custom tool to remove it from the main water pump, and how to recharge properly the fan clutch mechanism. And if this did not work, will not work, so I then have to spend some money and buy some Zax original equipment fan clutch. And once more, I want to mention, guys, that the M112 V6 and M113 V8 engines don't share the same fan clutch. The part numbers are different. I won't tell this because even E430, my car, and CLK 430 and C430 had different fan clutches. The fan clutches for M112 and some of M113 engines are about $150, and fan clutches for E55 AMG W210 chassis and E430s are about $250. So the prices are not the same. And if these cars were equipped with same fan clutches, it will not be very difficult to me to spend this amount of money and buy new fan clutch. So guys, once again, we will do this mode and see if it will help, because I saw on Mercedes-Benz online communities that many guys have done this, and this mode works very good. So once again, stay tuned. Thank you for watching my channel, for joining my channel, and goodbye.